In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now, you need to scroll. Tap on More Privacy Settings at the very bottom, and once you're ready, scroll again, this time to tap on Permission Manager. Now, you can manage it by clicking on one of those features, like Camera or Contacts, and selecting an app under one of those categories. In case of Contacts, it's allowed or not allowed. Let's go with from not allowed one. Over here, apply one of the available options by tapping on the best one for you. In my case, Contacts access for this app, allow or don't allow. Let's tap on allow and go back to check out if it worked. As you can see, after a few seconds, Chrome gained access to my device's contacts. But what I like to do is picking any feature and selecting an app I wanna manage instead. So I will access my microphone only to manage Facebook. Now, instead of picking one of those, click on underline text below them. See all Facebook permissions. Then manage all of them for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!